sen hazırlan çıkın davamlaştırdıgan bulduk dep
Surya was dropping my mom off. So when she came to the red light, there was a red light. She had to stop. She had to make a left turn. But the car was coming out of where she was going into. So he came out, hit the car one time, and Surya said the guy was looking at her like, I'm hitting you.
The car backs up and hits again.
Maşını akmak ışkı kıtım urdu. Eğer normal olsa tiyip gidetti bir kıtım. Kayıt akı yenip kep urmaydı maşinesi beni.
My mom was kind of pushed back and forth.
The lady, her secretary, she said, "Oh my God, this is an assassination," and she started screaming, "Assassination!" I mean, I'm hoping that that accident is not a Chinese thing to get her in U.S.
You know, I started driving like maybe 80 on 30-mile-per-hour road, and when I got to hospital, there were like 10, 15 people waiting outside.
One of her small, bones in her spine broke. And the doctor basically said if the spine broke, then she would be paralyzed. She would have been paralyzed. But luckily, thank God, just a small bone.
And I thought, if she stops talking, I mean, I thought a lot of things, like what would happen to her cause, what would we do?
We felt it was really an attempt to kill her.
This is a story about Rebiya Kadeer, a woman fighting for the human rights of her people, the Uyghur. The Uyghur are from a country called East Turkestan. In 1949, the Chinese annexed this country, renaming it Xinjiang. The Uyghur have now become China's Muslim minority.
When I tell people, I'm Uyghur, and they ask me where it is, and I say the location, they say, "Oh, you're Chinese," and I tell them, "No, I am not."
They are not Chinese at all. Cultural, language, religion is very different. The Chinese government feel that Xinjiang is a part of China. That is not true.
Since 1949, China has helped the Uyghur develop their land in its image and with its principles.
What they're doing is they're taking our land, they're selling our land, our people's house without asking the owner.
You have to face forced abortion, regardless of how month you're pregnant.
Çünkü Cungo'da erkinlik bo'lmagandan keyin Cungo hukumati Uyg'ur xalqini yer sharining etnik millat sifatida tozalab yo'qotib o'tishni qaror qilayotgandan keyin.
If you talk to Uyghurs, they will tell you that you can hardly expect to keep your job because all the new jobs are going to the Chinese immigrants who are just coming in by the trainload every day.
Attempts to voice Uyghur frustrations publicly are severely repressed by a government seeking stability and foreign investment in the region. In the early 90s, Rebiya Kadeer was a business magnate and philanthropist who used her political influence to speak out against what she felt was the cultural genocide of her people. For this, she was sentenced to 8 years, only to be released after constant pressure from Europe and the United States. Now from Washington, Rebiya has set up an international human rights campaign for the people of East Turkestan.
She's very passionate, she loves her people, and she wants everything done now.
Ha? Sana Amerika'da hanım var, ben sana aytıp koyayım.
But working for her is, big thing, not something small, not worthwhile. You are in a move that's gonna change history.
She has gained wide media attention and a nomination for the Nobel Peace Prize.
She's a 60-year-old skinny woman. That can not just irritate, but threaten the emerging superpower we call China.
In May of 2006, the inevitable happened. Half of Rebiya's children who were unable to leave China were arrested during a family picnic.
Şundaq çiqirtib ayağını bir maşının içine solab, anından keyin iki oğlumni aşı 50-60 adam bir chatda urib turib, aşı oğlumning urgan ovozini anglasın deb, aşı ko'krab baqirgan ovozlarni angladim. Apa, ufuklarimni bak urib ketdi. Şundaq bir qiyachiyadan keyin telefonni taqib oldim. Mening oxirgi bolalarim bilan aloqalashgan kunim shu.
Free Rebiya Kadeer children! Free Rebiya Kadeer children! Shame on China! Shame on China! Shame on China! Shame on China!
It's just, I don't know. I don't even know what to think, and I don't know how long it's going to take. It makes me feel sad, and why it's happening to my brothers and sisters? Why? You know, I just don't like the fact that now my brother's in jail. You know how much they have to suffer.
Balların meselesinde Xitay bilan yana ikkinchi tutuşuşumuz meydana çıktı.
It will be, you know, there will be an argument between me and Chinese government over my kids.
İkinci bu millette ümit öyle ketmesi gerek iken, ümit bilen turunlar. Biş bol o, biş bol. Xitay biş bol köyümüz erkekçe. Hala biş bol köyümüz. Çukum yana, özümüzün kam yerlerimizni toşkuzup, yanı tirişçanlık köstüp, sizlerinin kolluşunlar bilen biz 2007-yili bunundan mı artık yaxşı bir g'albilarni qo'lga keltirish uchun kurashganmiz. Bizim pishig'mayman. Buni faqat jig'imga etikni qo'ymoqchiman-da, bundan keyin xabaringlar. Xotirjam bo'linglar, haqida bir singlar chiqib ketqanmanglar. Men ya turmanglar.
32, 31, 30.
Rebiya Kadeer hergizmi 4 farzandining Xitoyni tutib berishi bilan Rebiya Kadeer o'z xalqining taqdiri hal bo'lguncha, erkinlikka erishguncha